Hi, I'm Erin O'Connor and welcome to this introduction to academic reflection. What is academic reflection? It's strategic, careful thinking on our part about our professional experiences, where we incorporate both who we are and what we bring to the experience, but also our academic and professional literature. And generally we write these reflections or we speak through them with a peer consult or a senior mentor. It's unpacking what's happened and how this made you feel, your automatic thoughts, and then your thoughts after you've had a chance to process things. It's somewhere where you can link what personal experiences you might bring to your profession, whether that enhances or biases your work. It's also a chance to make links between professional and academic literature and find out how that truly is applied in your field. And academic reflections also allow you to work out how you're actually going to process this and learn from these experiences. It's a little bit of a misnomer or a misconception, I should say, that academic reflections always have to be about things that are negative experiences or that didn't work out or didn't go well, or relationships that didn't go function very effectively. But that's not true. Academic reflections can actually be about when things go well as well. And if you've got a great supervisor or a positive experience or a team that worked effectively, it's very useful to use an academic reflection as your opportunity to unpack that and understand why it works so well. In kind of broad terms, this is appreciative inquiry of trying to understand when things go well and when people work from their strengths, what are the conditions that actually create that, so that hopefully you can recreate that again in your professional life. In this module, we are going to unpack some of the theories and the models of reflection. In particular, you do need to focus on the 4 R's because we're going to write our reflections from the 4 R's model. There'll be some quizzes along the way. We're going to talk about how to approach reflection, how to be watching through this semester the experiences that you have so that you're best prepared for writing an academic reflection towards the end. And we're actually going to give you a couple of chances to do experiential activities. These are actually tied into, one will give you the chance to be more mindful in the present moment so that you can observe more of important events during the semester and reflect on them more effectively. And the other activity will actually give you a chance to unpack an experience after the event. And both of those will be presented in podcast form. Beyond that, you'll see a couple of different ways that we've presented the material and those quizzes to help you test your understanding along the way. And then at the end, it's always really important to check the CRA for the particular assignment that you're writing and have a chance to ask any questions about the assignment, clarify all of the requirements before you finalise your drafts and submit your work. Academic reflection is quite different from a lot of other assignments, but it actually can be a lot of fun. And if you're incorporating a reflective process in your day-to-day life, it can actually help you to improve relationships and drive better outcomes from experiential learning. And really, as adults, we learn far more through experiential learning than we do kind of more formalised traditional learning from textbooks and readings. Our experiences shape us a lot, and it's really important to be able to reflect on them to draw out the most learning from those experiences. So I hope you enjoy the module.